If you've been categorising power and ground nets, you'll have seen that XJ Developer has several methods to identify them for you. One of its techniques is to check net names. For example, the software will find nets such as VCC and 3v3 because of what they're called. But what if your design uses different terminology? What if your power supply rails are called something like MCU power, for instance? In this video, I'll show you how to change the text that XJ Developer searches for so that it works well with the nomenclature of your circuit. First though, let's explore the default settings, because for most designs they should prove okay. You will find the regular expressions used by XJ Developer in its Options dialog box. Select the Categories tab and ensure you've chosen Net Selector at the top. Let's look at the power nets. The patterns it's trying to match are shown at the bottom here, but if you click the regex button, you can examine them more easily. The standard settings will find a match for the terms VCC, VDD, VBAT and VREF, and numeric names such as 3v3. If you want to see if your circuit's terminology matches, just type in the net name you're using here and click the Test button. You'll notice it's not case sensitive and that it works with labels like plus 3v3 as well as just 3v3. But if you've got a power supply net called MCU power, it won't be found. So what do? Simply click in the box and you'll be able to alter the expression. You can either change what's already there or insert an additional item. Add the pipe symbol for an OR and follow it with something that matches your names. If you want to understand more about regular expressions, you might find the XJTAG help files useful. Just search for regular expression and it'll take you to these pages. This one gives you a simple introduction to using regular expressions. And there are also some useful links for more in-depth reading here. Of course, as well as changing the searches XJ Developer uses for the positive or negative rails, you can do the same for the ground nets or any termination voltage nets. And that's all there is to it. The expressions XJ Developer uses when it looks for power and ground nets have been changed. Now, when you come to categorise those nets, the software will automatically find them for you. Be aware though that this is a global change, so will also apply to any other projects using the same PC. What I haven't said much about yet is the termination voltage nets. They're the special power rails used by the resistors that terminate high-speed lines such as those on DDR memories. I'll look at those in the final video of this series. I'll show you what they are, why it's important to differentiate them from normal power supplies, and how to categorise them. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe for more and leave a like or a comment below.